have 3 or 4 different irrigation projects developing dry land into irrigation. This one particular project, which is north of Taber, in the Vauxhall area, Retlaw area. On that 40 acres, I was partially in a Fortis area, and then the rest of it was in the REA area. And I needed to have infrastructure to run my pivots. So then I got talking to Fortis, explaining my situation to them, because the pump site actually was in Fortis's area, and they said, well, if you would have been in our area, we'll invest with you. We'll invest with your project, so they're actually putting the money out front. Fortis has been a big player in my operation, just in the fact I know I can rely on them, I can count on them. For an example, well, that transformer right there by the scale house was too small. We added some bigger machinery and whatnot, and we needed a larger volt to supply more power. So we put in the application, and I would say within the month, Fortis was out here supplying an adequate volt or dealing with the issue. And in this case, we ended up actually leaving that volt there and reinstalling another one on the other side of the yard. But they dealt with the issues and fairly immediate, so that we were able to continue operation and not losing any production time. In the 50s, they put this canal in to supply water for irrigation for all the local farmers in the St. Mary's River Irrigation District. Initially, we used natural gas for pumping units for our irrigation pivots. And I know the headache and the hassle of keeping all those combustible motors running. Like, you get 100, you can imagine 100 or 200 motors running. There's always, every day, an issue, whether one run out of oil or was running hot or crankshaft went, or you know, it's just, whereas power is so much more reliable and dependable. And you know, like, I can go on my app and literally control the machines, right? I couldn't do that if it was natural gas. So, you know, I've got for the sea cleaning plant that we just visited, that same app, I'm able to go in here. I could be sitting on the beach in Hawaii, I could go on my app, speed that machine up, or usually what I'm using it for is to just make sure that machine's operating and set the way it should be. So it's just the convenience and the added benefits that power can offer over natural gas. That's the number one thing. You need to have a reliable power source. So thank goodness I'm able to count on Fortis supply that to me, so I can in return supply that to my customers.